He did it again.
Just when you call butter side, you hook the other. Scissors or something. Something, I don't know.
Scissors? Question, what do you do with scissors? Shoot.
Did you get him again?
Yeah?
My 10 cents might be in. He won't go after that one.
Yes, he will. It's through John. He jumped right up that and grabbed him right off there. This will be the fourth time. That's where he hanging up before. Jumped right up. Yep, look, he's gonna go again this time.
I got turned
He
going
was
in.
beginning when he was up.
No, he's got tied on there. But a while ago he jumped right up and he just touched
He didn't
it.
get the